Hello and welcome to our presentation on ISO 38500, the international standard for corporate governance of information technology. Today we'll provide an overview of ISO 38500, its objectives, principles and significance in ensuring effective IT governance. What is ISO 38500? ISO 38500 is a standard developed by the International Organization for Standardization and the International Electrotechnical Commission (IEC). It provides guiding principles for governing IT within organizations, helping them maximize the benefits of IT investments while minimizing risks. Objectives of ISO 38500. The primary objectives of ISO 38500 are providing guidance to governing bodies on their responsibilities for IT governance, assisting organizations in evaluating, directing, and monitoring the use of IT to support business objectives, promoting an effective and efficient use of IT resources while managing associated risks. Principles of ISO 38500. ISO 38500 is based on 6 key principles. Responsibility. Governance of IT is the responsibility of the organization's governing body. Strategy. IT should be aligned with the organization's overall strategy to deliver value. Acquisition. IT investments and acquisitions should be managed to deliver optimal value and mitigate risks. Performance. IT performance should be monitored and evaluated to ensure it meets business objectives. Conformance. IT should comply with applicable laws, regulations, and internal policies. Human behavior. Effective IT governance requires an understanding of human behavior and the organizational culture. Significance of ISO 38500. ISO 38500 is significant for organizations because it enhances decision-making. By clarifying roles and responsibilities for IT governance, ISO 38500 improves decision-making processes related to IT investments and initiatives. Mitigates risks. The standard helps organizations identify and manage IT-related risks, ensuring business continuity and safeguarding assets. Improves performance. Effective IT governance supported by ISO 38500 enhances IT performance, contributing to the achievement of business objectives and customer satisfaction. In conclusion, ISO 38500 provides organizations with a framework for effective IT governance, aligning IT with business goals, managing risks, and enhancing performance. By adhering to the principles and guidelines outlined in the standard, organizations can optimize their IT investments and achieve sustainable success in today's digital age. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or would like to explore ISO 38500 further, please feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleague. Thank you.